How to use the screencast feature and connect your Oneplus Nord 3 phone to a Windows 11 computer desktop or a laptop. Let's go and get started. So from the quick panel access on your Nord 3 here, here's a few things that you need to do, okay? So first you want to look for the screencast toggle to have it readily available so that you can use it, okay? So once you see it, that's the one you're going to use. Now, from that, you will go ahead and long press it, and that'll take you into the main settings of the screencast. And if it's your first time, when you select where it says search for display devices, you'll get a few prompts such as enabling location and other things like audio recording. So you'll have to agree and continue, and then you have to allow it for other options as well, such as notifications, turn on your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on your phone itself. And then once that's all set up and ready to go, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the name of your computer, and it would be the one that you have it saved as the name. So once you see it, tap it, start now, and then you'll see a prompt appear on your screen. You can choose to go with allow once if you just want to connect it just this one time, or go with allow always, and it's up to you to make that decision. So once you do that, be sure to press OK so that it can begin the connection process. If all is correct and done right, you'll see this here. It'll say connect wirelessly, and you'll probably get another prompt again for the location. Just accept it and agree it so you can move forward to your screencast. Now that's that here. And of course, if there is any chance that you didn't see the prompt here, try checking into your settings for your computer. Go into project wireless settings and see if you need to install that wireless display adapter settings for your computer. Also enable auto rotate on your phone so that when you go into landscape view mode and view apps, you will be also viewing it in landscape mode on your computer, okay? You can also try restarting your phone as well as your computer to try the screencast or screen connect again, like and sub.